Namaste everybody, welcome to a new tutorial on ukulele. Today I'm going to learn you the MOOLA Mantra because the MOOLA Mantra is requested by Elena. Thank you for that. So which chord do you need for the MOOLA Mantra? It's A minor, it's G, and it's F. So the MOOLA Mantra, let me play it for you. First in down strum and afterwards in island strum. Then, after the playing, I will cut the mantra into pieces so you can play the easy way with the down strum and the more intermediate way with the island strum. MOOLA Mantra, down strum. Chit Ananda Parabrahma Purushottama Paramatama Shri Bhagavate Sameta Shri Bhagavate Namaha Hari Om Tat Sat Hari Om Tat Sat Hari Om Tat Sat Hari Om Tat Sat. MOOLA Mantra with the island strum. Chit Ananda Parabrahma Purushottama Paramatama Shri Bhagavate Sameta Shri Bhagavate Namaha Hari Om Tat Sat Hari Om Tat Sat Hari Om Tat Sat Hari Om Tat Sat. So the MOOLA Mantra in down strum, let's put the finger on A minor. And then we start first with 4 times coming into the mantra. And then the lyric starts. Om Chit Ananda Parabrahma sorry, Purushottama Paramatama Shri G to G Bhagavate Sameta to F Shri Bhagavate Namaha. Stay in A minor. Hari Om Tat Sat to G. Hari Om Tat Sat. Then to F. Hari Om Tat to G Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat on A minor. So how went that, the down strum? I'm sure you make the mantra beautiful. Of course, in this tutorial, play it really slow with the ukulele, but you can rise up your tempo if you want, and you can also make your own beats here and there, or maybe, a little bit quicker strumming. So this is just the basic. If you have the basic, you can really explore with everything with the mantra. Now I'm going to now I'm going to explain to you how we can play the mantra with the island strum. So take your uke and let's see. So we get in position A minor. Let me see, every chord we strum down. So like the island strum, like down, down, up, down, up. Yeah, let's just give it a try, okay? So A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Om Chit Ananda Parabrahma Purushottama Purushotama Paramatama G. Shri Bhagavate Samhita. F. Shri Bhagavate A minor Namaha. Hari Om Tat Sat. To G. Hari Om Tat Sat. To F. Hari Om Tat G Sat. Hari F Om Tat Sat on A minor. So if you also watched my other tutorials, you see that I often use the chuck version. It's the island strum, the same rhythm, only with the second and the third down strum you chuck. And chucking is actually mute your string with this hand palm. So it's like this. Normally you have the island strum, down, down, up, up, down, up. Now it's like first down normal, and then as I said, the second and the third, you chuck, you mute your strings with this. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up. And you can also play the mantra with the chuck version. It's really nice as well. So the same as the island strum, and on the second and the third down strum, you chuck. So good luck with that. So I'm going to play for you now the original tempo of the down strum and the island strum immediately afterwards, without any chords or lyrics below. So it's like the general repetition. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Satchitananda Parabrahma Purushotama Paramatama Shri Bhagavate Samhita. Shri Bhagavate Namaha. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Ready for the island strum? Om Satchitananda Parabrahma Purushotama Paramatama Shri Bhagavate Samhita. Shri Bhagavate Namaha. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. So I hope you can play the MOOLA mantra now, Elena, and I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Namaste.